Advancements in orthopedic surgical navigation systems are truly revolutionizing the way we approach surgery. These cutting-edge technologies enhance accuracy and precision, significantly reducing complications and improving patient outcomes. Imagine real-time imaging providing surgeons with a detailed view of bone structures during complex procedures like knee and hip replacements. This level of insight allows for more accurate implant placements, minimizing risks. Robotic-assisted navigation systems take this a step further, giving surgeons greater control and reducing tremors, which is crucial for delicate operations. The result? Less tissue damage, quicker recovery times, and a more personalized approach to care. As we look ahead, the integration of AI and augmented reality promises to make these systems even more effective, transforming orthopedic surgery into a precise science that truly prioritizes patient well-being.